The Director General National Agency for the Control of AIDS, Dr. Temitope IIorin, has expressed worry that HIV/AIDS response delivery architecture, especially in the country, is heavily reliant on non-state actors with limited ownership by state governments. The NACA boss gave the hint at an engagement workshop with representatives of state HIV/AIDS coordinators held in Abuja. She said the goal of ending HIV/AIDS deaths by 2023 in Nigeria would remain a dream in failure to mobilize resources domestically to fund the virus-related responses.
Implementing partners and the donor agency have actually been the one driving the response. What we mean by that is that most of the funds are actually donated by these agencies, and we feel it's about time that we take charge.
The NACA boss further added that achieving the new business model requires all stakeholders to do more and plan better HIV response by taking deliberate steps to ensure effective coordination.
To chart a way forward to co-create and ensure that we are all on the same page regarding the sustainability program of the HIV response, and ensuring that AIDS is no longer a public health threat by the year 2030.
Other speakers, including UNAIDS Country Director Dr. Zekeng, in their remarks spoke highly of the initiative, saying it offers renewed efforts to strengthen HIV/AIDS coordination and leadership at all levels.
We are here, but we need playing a different role, but gradually our LGAs, our states, so our communities need to take a greater role in such a way that, our program are sustained, implemented with maximum increased domestic resources.
It's part for all of us to come together and develop a roadmap, so to speak, that will speak to what the national is supposed to be, and that document after development will be further adapted at the subnational level to key into the peculiarities of each subnational space as far as HIV response is concerned.
Other takeaway from the meeting, including the need to accelerate the process to meet Nigerians' timelines to end AIDS as a public concern in Nigeria. CNN News.